Welcome back, guys. So, I hope you all are doing great. So, today our topic is basic principles of forensic science. So, there are seven basic principles in a forensic science, which is an important question. Means you have to remember all the seven principles. So, the first principle is principle of exchange. It is proposed by Sir Edmund Lockhart. Now, you already heard the Lockhарт's principle of exchange, right? So that is this itself. So every contact leaves a trace. So this principle explains that every contact leaves a trace. Means there is a mutual exchange of things takes place between the perpetrator, victim, object and scene of crime. Then principle of individuality. Every object, natural or man made, has an individuality which is not duplicated in any other object. It is unique, neither the nature has duplicated itself nor a man can. Okay, example can be like fingerprints. So, fingerprints are unique and individual for everyone. Okay, no two persons can have the same fingerprints, and even your retina patterns also. Okay, iris, there is iris pattern. Okay, so every object, natural or man-made, has an individuality which is not duplicated in any other object. It is unique, neither the nature has duplicated itself nor can man. Then the third principle is principle of progressive change. Everything will change with passage of time. Nothing is permanent, it will change to other forms. Let us take an example of environment itself. Environment, will it be stable? No. Today if it's sunny, tomorrow it may be rainy suddenly. So anything in the nature or anything, the object itself will be having any certain kind of change undergoing. So everything will change with passage of time. Nothing is permanent till it will change to other forms. Then, principle of comparison. Only similar things can be compared with similar. Means if you are finding any physical evidence such as blood, so that if you're collecting the blood sample and then if you want to compare the blood sample with the questioned blood sample or with the suspected blood sample, then a blood sample is only compared with the blood sample only. A hair is compared only with the hair itself. A fabric of fibers are compared to only the fiber or the fabric itself. So that is known as principle of comparison. Only similar things can be compared with similar. Then, principle of analysis. The analysis can be no better than the sample analyzed. It emphasizes the necessity of correct sampling and packing for effective use of expert. Talks about the analysis of the physical evidence. The analysis can be no better than the sample analyzed. So it emphasizes the necessity to correct sampling and packing for effective use of the experts. Then, principle of probability. Chances of occurrence of an event in particular way out of a number of ways in which event can take place or fail to take place with equal facility. Okay, principle of probability. It means what? Probability means a chance of occurrence, like 50-50% chance of occurrence will be there, right? We may not know whether it is true or it is false, but that is known as principle of probability. Chances of occurrence of an event in a particular way out of a number of ways in which event can take place or fail to take place with equal facility. Then the last principle is principle of circumstantial facts. It states people lie but evidences don't. It depends on power of observation or emphasizes on the reliability of physical and digital evidences over human testimony. Okay, it also it's a line from the principle of circumstantial facts, that is facts do not lie but men can. Means if there are any kind of witnesses who will be appearing in the court for a certain kind of crime, so what they will do means the opposition lawyers, they will try to buy the witness with the greediness of money. They'll show the greed of money and they'll try to buy them, and they will try to change the sentences to the false one. So what happens in that time is, of course, the witness gonna lie without saying the truth. So it states that, but even though the witness is saying the false statement and even he is lying though, but the evidences don't lie, right? Evidences will show the correct form of the crime scene, like what had happened there and what are the circumstances of the crime and who are involved in it. So it states that people may lie but evidences don't. So it depends on the power of observation or emphasizes on the reliability of physical and digital evidences over human testimony. So facts do not lie but men can. So these are the 7 basic principles of forensic science, which is really an important question, and you may get one question from this for your entrance exam point of view. So thank you.